Well, life on the streets can not only be dangerous, it's also been deadly for homeless youth.
3 recent suicides highlight the need not only for more housing, but also mental health services. New at 6, KITV4's Paul Drews shows us a place on Oahu that is helping with both.
This old correctional center on Oahu's windward side has been transformed into a place of hope for Hawaii's youth who face more than just the usual challenges of growing up.
We see roughly 300 young people a year that are sleeping rough, unsheltered in our communities throughout Oahu.
One of those youth is Ethan Oshiro, who came to the Residential Youth Services and Empowerment Center, or RISE, a month and a half ago.
I just wanted to get help and wanted to get off the streets.
At the RISE Center, nearly 24 youth can not only stay in their emergency stabilization housing, they can also get help with mental health issues.
We have a crisis, a mental health crisis for our young people. Suicide is the leading cause of death for our young people in Hawaii.
Just down the road from the center is a memorial to Acacia Kyle Brown, who died 2 weeks ago. She is one of 3 homeless youth served by RISE, who Hauser said struggled with mental health issues and who died by suicide over the past 6 months. Those deaths highlight the critical need for mental health help for homeless youth.
We can provide a bed, for young people to get off the streets, to not be in our local communities, but without the therapeutic psychiatry that is really truly needed to stabilize these youth, it oftentimes feels like a revolving door.
Even though there is limited bed space available, the RISE Center allows other homeless youth to drop in 12 hours a day, giving them a place to eat, shower, or just relax off the streets.
Everybody feel welcome, really, don't trip about it. Just, you're gonna feel the love, you know what I mean? When you come over here, they're really just trying to help. And I think everybody should use this place. Really, it's a good program.
Typically, youth stay at the center anywhere from 90 to 120 days, while they're helped into a housing situation they can manage and financially handle. For Ethan, he turned to the streets after running out of family to live with.
Burn all my bridges. So drugs do, right? But yeah, I have hope now, and you know what I mean? I can see something at least. It's not all dark still. It's a little bit lit now.
His future is a little brighter as RISE has helped him to get a job. They assist youth to get back on track to reach employment or education goals, and also offer classes to deal with substance abuse, trauma, or other difficulties they've faced.
The wraparound supports that we are providing is making a difference for the youth that we are serving. We have a lot of mental health challenges, but we also have a lot of really skilled, compassionate providers.
In the future, RISE would like to expand that support and the number of beds at the former Youth Correctional Center so they can help out even more, but that will take more funding from the state.
Acacia would sometimes use RISE services, and this memorial shows what could happen if more isn't done to help Hawaii's homeless youth. In Kailua, Paul Drews, KITV4 Island News.